Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today I'm going to discuss some important stocks in news, which were in news because of some important corporate action. I will discuss the news, and then I will discuss some important Q1 results also from the important companies which has posted in last week, and then we'll analyze the Nifty Bank chart and we'll discuss some support and resistance for the Nifty Bank for next week. So to know the important stock which were in news last week and the important Q1 update and then the Nifty Bank levels, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices levels update and yes, stock and news updates. So let me first of all discuss the important stocks which were in news in last week for their corporate action. So first it was Patanjali Food. Yes, Patanjali Food on Thursday announced a bonus issue for their shareholder in 2 is to 1 ratio. I'm discussing in short for the bonus they have issued. Record date is not yet announced. I will definitely update about the record date also in my weekly videos. I will definitely I will definitely discuss about the record date in my videos, coming videos, and yes, they will credit their bonus share to the demat account to the shareholder within 2 months from the result date. Like result date was 16 to 16 to July to 16 September के बीच में within 16 September and within 2 months they will credit the bonus share. So I will definitely update the record date so that if you want the bonus you can you should be actually holding this Patanjali Food share in your demat account definitely before record date or before X date. So you should be aware about the recorded and these information definitely keep in your mind and keep watch also and put your notification on so that if I'll post the update you will get the notification. Now next number the stock which is in news which is in news in last week, this is SDFC Bank. SDFC Bank has is going to post their Q1 on 19 July, of course, and they have also announced the bonus share to its shareholder, and also they are giving special interim dividend to its shareholder along with bonus on 19 July they will announce about this. So this is also news that SDFC Bank since last 25 year I heard in news that they are going to give bonus first time they are going to issue the bonus share to its shareholder. So it's so many things is coming up from the SDFC Bank. I will make the separate video after the Q1 result and will discuss all the information about the bonus Q1 and dividend and everything about the SDFC Bank and fundamental also, and even I will share the technical levels and technical important levels of SDFC Bank. So definitely please watch that video also. I'm going to post after soon after the results. So it will be very important to see all these things. So please watch that video also. Now the two important stock in news I have shared, the Patanjali Food and the SDFC Bank, they were in news because of their corporate action of bonus issue to its shareholder and even dividend also. And Q1 update भी देख लेना. So 19 July को we will watch the SDFC Bank result. Now important Q1 result I will quickly discuss. I'm discussing only good results from the good company, important company. But yes, I will share the important company which has not posted good result in that, like Axis Bank, Angel One, they have posted a poor result, disappointed result. So we can see, you can go through the Angelo and Axis Bank and Wipro also. They all have posted not very good result, but yes, I will show you the important result. Like Polycab, it has posted a robust result. You can see the 50% of their PAT, profit after tax, is up since y on y, since last year y on y. So 2025 से 2026 में the PAT has increased to 50% around, from 396 to 592 crore. Revenue, you can see it is from 4700 around from last year. Now it has become 5900 revenue, crore revenue. This is also 25, more than 25% up. EBITDA is also up by 47%, and this has become 857 crore from the 583. And the important thing is the margin. You can see from 12.4% to it has reached to 14.5% margin is increased. Next is Indian Hotel. They have also posted very good Q1 earnings. You can see from 1550 to it has become now 2040. The revenue has increased from 25 to 26, and the PAT, profit after tax, is also increased from 248 around to 296. So Indian Hotel ka result is also very good. You can check in detail. Geo Financial also posted good results. So these were important result I am good result I am discussing and showing also. So overall, this was very important update about the bonus and stock in news, and about the Q1 results. Now quickly I will go to the Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty chart, and I will show you what was happening last week. And you can see I've drawn this two trend line, which is a kind of a rising wedge. Yes, so these two trend line, even I have kept drawing this in my last video also, and this the same thing happening even this time also. The Nifty Bank is trading within this range. You can see from here to here, this was resistance, faced resistance here, came back to this level, then again from here it has given a good breakout, and then never looked back to below of this trend line. And this trend line is again very become has become a very important trend line. You can see the Nifty Bank is trading within this range from here, then here, and this. So what we can say, or this line is also very important, which I have drawn, which is 56,000, 56,100, 56,100 around. This is important support. So this I will discuss, but first of all, you can see this range, this upper resistance and this lower support. Or of course it is making higher high and higher low. See here, from here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and again higher high, and again higher low. So this is showing that the Nifty Bank is in upside trend. Of course it is going upside, but still it is not crossing this trend line, not breaking this trend line. That's why this, even though it is making a new all-time high always, but not sustaining the breakout, not going beyond this resistance level. So again, I may say again, it may make a new all time high, but still it will, if it will not break this trend line, no, it will again come back to this support, which is imminent. So we can watch on these levels. So these level can be 58,200 around, I can see here. You keep in mindful, you be mindful with this trend line only, which is this कहीं पे भी आ सकता है 58,000, 58,200, 300, whatever. मुझे 58,200 important level दिख रहा है. सपोर्ट में यू कैन सी यहाँ पे भी आ चुका है. इट्स ऑलरेडी टच द 56,200 ऑन फ्राइडे लास्ट वीक. इसके नीचे 56,100 या फिर आई विल टेक द साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट और वी कैन से द रफली फिगर 56,000। 56,000 के नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए, इट इज़ नॉट गुड इवन आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग 56,000। तो इट शुड बी एक्चुअली अबव द 56,000। 56,000 may take support next week only, again may take a reversal. You have to keep watch, this level is very important of the 56,000 next Monday only. So we will see in next Monday को ये लेवल ये लेवल जरूर ध्यान रखना। नाउ नेक्स्ट इधर आने में इट विल टेक लिटिल टाइम, मे बी 1 or 2 or 3 weeks। तो यहाँ पे आने के लिए 58,200 ब्रेक करने के लिए इट विल टेक सम time, of course, need to watch. So overall I can say this range is very important, and this is also intersecting this line which is 56,000 around. So overall I have discussed all the thing. I have discussed important stocks which were in news, and I have discussed the important Q1 results from the important company. I have analyzed the chart and discussed important key level, which is two important key level. And yes, I'm going to post some important Q1 results for tomorrow also in Sunday video, and with analysis of the Nifty 50 chart. I will share the Nifty 50 important levels for the next week, and I will discuss some important Q1 results also, because the Q1 of Reliance is going to post Q1 on today itself, on Friday 18 July. And I will discuss this result also in my Sunday video, and along with that some more important Q1 results and important dates of next week. Everything I will share in tomorrow's video. So please watch that video also, and watch the STFC Bank video also, which I am going to post after the update. So overall, all the important things has been discussed in this video. Or I will repeat the level again for you all, that Nifty Bank important support is 56,000, and important resistance can be 58,200 for the next week. So please like and share the video, and to make it reach for others, so that they will be aware of the stock in news and the levels and everything about the stock market. And yes, subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update, stock in news update, and yes, indices levels update. Signing off.